A troubling new sign: America is losing right now in its fight against the coronavirus. We hate to lose. The U.S. has surpassed 50,000 cases in a single day. For the first time, it's the highest daily number since this pandemic began.
California had the most new cases, with nearly 10,000, followed by Texas and Florida. We have correspondents in all three of those states. We begin with Carter Evans in Santa Monica, California. Carter, what's being done to stop this?
Well, Anthony, they're shutting things down. They essentially want the Santa Monica Pier to look this weekend like it does right now, completely empty. They've already canceled fireworks shows. They're closing the beaches, and now the governor is closing indoor operations at many businesses for the next 3 weeks.
We were able to bend the curve in the state of California. We're going to bend this curve again.
California Governor Gavin Newsom is shutting down indoor service at bars, restaurants, wineries, and movie theaters in 19 of California's 58 counties, affecting nearly 3/4 of the state's 40 million residents. In the last 2 weeks, coronavirus cases in California are up more than 48%, and statewide hospitalizations are up more than 50%. And the University of Southern California announced most fall undergraduate classes will be conducted online, affecting more than 20,000 students. At least 18 states have now paused or rolled back reopening plans, including New York, which is delaying the return of indoor dining in New York City in response to outbreaks across the country.
Indoors is the problem more and more. The science is showing it more and more.
Accelerating cases in Arizona prompted a visit from Vice President Mike Pence, seen here wearing a mask.
We wanted to be here to get a report from the ground.
COVID-related deaths and hospitalizations in Arizona hit all-time highs Wednesday with a record of more than 4,800 new coronavirus cases. And the virus is tearing apart the families of people like Leslie Lopez.
They should have never reopened knowing that there's still a pandemic going on.
Lopez lost her husband Basilio last Thursday. She says at one point his fever got as high as 108 degrees.
I told him, when you get home, I'm going to buy you a really nice cold beer, and he nodded yes. And then it just broke my heart, because then he started crying, and we just all started crying, and that was the last time that we actually talked to him or saw him.
Basilio Lopez had 5 children and 1 grandchild. They don't know how he got the virus, but his family is pleading with people to follow public health guidelines, if not for your own safety, then for the safety of others in your community. Tony?
Yeah, it's a reminder there, Carter, of what's at stake. Thank you very much.